Model, 2008 Peugeot Expert Tepee Comfort L2 HDI 120 and 5/6 seat simple fix Starstruck. Body, blue, MPV. Mileage, 85,132. MOT, the 31st of August 2024. Engine, 1997 cc DW10 UTED4. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Rear air suspension has failed, needs repairing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on